everyone, welcome to Gardening Tips with Nathan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pot the Collin's blueberry variety. Now this is the variety that my mum chose, and this is the variety that she chose. You can see here, this is it. I chose the pink lemonade when we went to the garden centre. And if you want to see that video, just scroll through my videos and you should see it. So this in here, I've got some stones for drainage to improve. So I'll do that. That should be just about enough. So yeah, I've done that. And now I'm going to use this compost, if you can see here, it's called ericaceous compost. This is a good compost to use when you're planting blueberries. But if you don't have this, try and your best to buy a compost like acidic compost, because that will really help the blueberries grow. And I'm planting it in the pot because if you plant it in the ground, like, it has the clay soil and it won't grow that well there. So yeah, I'm going to add some of this ericaceous compost. And when I'm putting this in, I'm not going to fill the compost up right to the top, because when I want to put it in first, before I fill it right up to the top, and when it's in, I'll just fill it with compost around. So yeah, I've put in some compost, and now I'm just going to put in the Collin blueberry, see if it fits. Yeah, it fits in nicely there. Yep, right. So now I'm just going to cover the compost with it around this. So yeah, this type of blueberry variety is a fully hardy one, and now I'm just going to water it with rainwater, because if you water it with tap water, that has chlorine in, and that reduces the acidity in the compost. So I'm just going to water it with rainwater because it's best for it. Right, so I've done that finally. So yeah, obviously I'm going to water it a bit more later because blueberries like to be moist. And now I'm just going to add some of this coconut fibre. This is for, I'm going to be doing some mulching. If you can see here, this is the coconut fibre. And I'm doing this because it helps a lot, because it helps keep all the moisture in, and it helps block the weeds, and also it keeps, like, if you have a plant that loves acidity, over time it does give the plant acidity, so that will help in it growing. So yeah, I'm just going to add some of this coconut fibre. You can also use pine needles for this, or pine cones, which is I've got here as well. You can also use a bit of flakes, but I think the best is pine needles, I would say, but we don't have that much right now, so. And I like doing this because I think the pine needles and the coconut fibre, it's like actually like a little decoration as well, and it looks nice, I think. And it's even better because it helps your plants. So right, so now I'm just going to add a bit of pine cones around, and you can find like the pine spikes, like the pine needles, I mean, in like pine woods and pine forests, just lying on the ground. So, and then they will, if you just collect a bit of them, that will help. yeah, so I have done that. So yeah, and then when you're feeding, you would feed it in the growing season, and you would feed it with high potash feed, like tomato feed, and that will really help your plant. And when you're positioning it, you position it in like semi-shade and then later on to full sun, or you could just do full sun straight away all the time. And that's also the same with the pink lemonade video. The pink lemonade, that's the blueberry. If you want to see that video, just look through our videos and you'll just press on it and there you go. So yeah, it's all finished. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Please hit that subscribe button and bye.